Hi, and welcome to another one of these updates on the game that I'm developing. I wanted to do a just quick few words about how I think things are going, and I think they're going well. And everything I'm working on right now is sort of just proof of concept, right? Like I want to see if these pieces, if I can program these pieces and get them fitting together, and if I can kind of squint and see how it will be fun when it's complete. So it's sort of a sketch, is kind of how I see it. Like I'm just sketching in the basics. And then once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to go in and do final art and, make cooler enemies and make the interaction have more of impact and feel better and have sounds and all that. So this week's update is not that exciting of a bit, but it was a bit that I needed to work on, figure out how I wanted to do. So let's start the game. And what I've added is just sort of like a little introductory sequence to the level. Okay, here, we'll run that again. So there's a fade in, and then you see the egg kind of drops a sub egg, and out of that pops your character. You can then fly around and wreak all the havoc. So just figuring out how I wanted to do an intro sequence type thing like that, and what that sequence will also happen in between levels. So if I gather enough gold and feed it to the egg to the point that I get to the next level, it should run that same animation sequence again. Let me see if I can actually do that. So I lowered the amount of gold you need to end the level just for easy demonstration's sake. Let's see. Oops. It's actually sort of difficult though still. You're just gonna get to watch me play a little bit. There we go. So the level ends, and the egg is transported to the new level, and we see it all again. So that's what I have for this week. I also tweaked the shadows a little bit, which they still don't look like anything, and I added shadows to the enemies that walk around too. So I'm still playing around with those to make it so that they do as little as possible to affect performance, and also so that they look better. So stuff like that, though, I'm kind of saying, okay, it's good enough. I'm going to move on since it's just a sketch, and I'll work on refining everything later. So that's the update. That's where I am. See you next week.